This Go Dodge Gladiator I've been hearing about with these excellent prices, excellent prices. Not no more. No more. You get a tariff, you get a tariff, and you definitely get 2 tariffs.
Enough with the tariffs. Enough with the markups. Southtown Chrysler is taking over. MSRP, $10,000 off, $20,000 off. From March 13 to March 17, we're offering invoice pricing on every brand new Ram on ground. You pay what we pay.
Invoice pricing. That's huge.
And because we're Southtown Chrysler, we're giving you more. Buy any new or used vehicle and get 2 years of free maintenance. We're offering these exclusive deals only at Southtown Chrysler.